Hey guys, welcome to the first video on the channel. I am Vortex, as you already know from reading the channel name. And today we are going to do a tutorial on creating a password protected file. So yeah, let's get started. What you want to do first is right click anywhere, new folder, right click on that, click rename, command A, delete, and you can name it whatever you want. So I'm just going to name it MW3 after my favorite game. Then whatever file you want to protect, you just drag it into there. And now what you want to do is you want to go to disk utility. Let's just drag that into the center there. File, new image, image from folder. And what you want to do is you want to choose the file, the folder you made with all your precious stuff in there. Then you want to click choose, and then you can name it whatever you want, tags, where you want to place it. Then encryption, this is important. 128-bit, that is recommended, but 256-bit is more secure. So I'm going to do 256-bit, and now we can just set a password. Then you click choose, and you click save, and you're just about done. All it has to do now is create the whatever file you named it, .dmg. Then operation successful, you can click done. Now we can close that and get rid of that. And now, let's just drag that to the center, double click on that. Now we have to input our password. Make sure that this right here is unchecked, because if it is checked, it'll remember it in the keychain. And then every time you go input it, it'll just automatically do it, which, you know, if someone gets onto your account or something, and then they find that, double click on it, then they can easily get the password and find all your stuff. So, yeah. As you can see there, it says opening mw3.dmg, and here we go. Then you can just double click on whatever files you have in there. Yeah, and what you do to eject it is you just right click on it, and then, oh no, sorry, you right click on this one, eject. And now we go to double click on that, and boom, you have to input the password again. Thank you guys so much for watching this. It really means a lot to me. I hope you guys have a great day, and goodbye.